Hi everyone, Rachel Willow here. So with spring cleaning and everybody just generally doing tidying up because of pollen and just general lovely spring stuff that goes on this time of year, I wanted to hop on and talk about my streak-free way of cleaning windows, which honestly, if you've ever used Windex and paper towels or things like that, it's always a constant battle of like, how is it still dirty, or how are there still streaks or things like that. So first off, what I use is I make my own glass and window cleaner. So this has a cap full of Young Living Thieves, their all-purpose cleaner, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, tablespoon of vinegar, and then you fill the rest with water, shake it up, and then I'll spray it all over the window. And then what I take is this bad boy. So I honestly can't remember where I bought it. I don't know if it was like at Lumber or Walmart or where, but anyways, I use it just a general squeegee. So I use the sponge side like you would a regular squeegee in the cleaning product, and then I'll use the actual squeegee part of it and remove the liquid. Now in between each wipe, I'll take my Norwex glass and window cloth, which is amazing. So I'll use that, and then at the end of it, like you do with your car window or anything like that, you might have a little bit of liquid that's still remaining. So I'll take my cloth and just kind of wipe around it. And what's so amazing about the Norwex cloth is it really does finish off to make sure you don't have any streaks. It's microfiber, I can't remember what the technology is that's in it, but since using that, it's been night and day difference. So I'll do that on the inside, and then on the outside of my windows, I'll use the Windex hose spray. Because my windows, as you can see behind me, they're way too big for me unless I'm getting on a ladder and doing this all by hand with my cleaner. It's just too much. So using the Windex hose spray is really great. So you just spray that on, and then you change the setting and you rinse it off. And between what I'm doing inside and what's going on outside, the windows have never looked better. So if you guys want more cleaning recipes, more cleaning tips and tricks, comment below, and you guys have a great day. Bye.